Hello everyone, especially grade 5. How are you today? I hope you all the best. Today we're going to talk about Unit 4, Lessons 3, 4 and 5 using division algorithm, relation between division and multiplication, and multi-step story problems. Are you ready to study? Let's go. So today we're going to talk about a new method to divide. It's very similar to area model. We have some common steps between the two methods. Okay? يعني انت بما انك عارف how to divide using area model فاكيد ان شاء الله هتعرف how to divide using standard algorithm لان في بعض الستبس احنا already عارفينها وهنستعملها في نفس الميثود دي. Okay? Let's start. Divide 5325 by 25. Okay, let's draw the form like this and write dividend and divisor. Got it? And the same, write the products of divisor. عايزين products of divisor اللي هو 25. 25 times 1 equals 25, times 2 equals 50, times 3 75, times 4 100, times 5 equals 125. up to 5 and then if you need more let's complete. يعني انت هتوصل لحد multiplication by 5 ولو احتجت اكتر بعد كده هتكمل. Got it? Let's start. Divide 5 by 25. Can't be 5 smaller. ال 5 أصغر so can't be. Let's divide 53 by 25. So search for 53 in the products. 25, 50, 75. We can't find 53. So search for the number just smaller. يعني الأصغر على طول من 53. مين هو؟ 50. 50 is just smaller than 53. So circle number 50 and 2. Okay? ومهم قوي النوت دي circle 2 and 50 وهقولك ليه. Let's complete. Write 50 as a product and 2 as a quotient. Got it? And now let's subtract 53 minus 50. 3 minus 0 equals 3 and 5 minus 5 equals 0. Got it? النقطة المهمة ليه بنسيركل هنا على 2 وال 50 لأن كتير قوي بنفتكر نكتب ال 50 اللي هي البرودكت وبننسى نكتب الكوشنت اللي هو طبعا بيكون الانسر اللي احنا عايزينها أصلا. Got it؟ فبنسيركل على 2 numbers علشان ناخدهم مع بعض. Okay? The next step, let's drop number 2. Okay, to complete the division. يعني مين النمبر اللي عليه الدور؟ 53 has finished. So the next digit is 2. النمبر اللي بعد كده هو 2. Let's drop 2 to complete the division. The number changed to be 32. Let's divide 32 by 25. Let's divide again. 32 divided by 25. So let's search for 32 in the products. 25, 50. So we don't have 32. Let's search for the number just smaller اللي هو مين؟ 25. Circle 25 and 1. 25 as a product and 1 as a quotient. Got it? And then subtract. 32 minus 25. 2 minus 5 can't be. Let's borrow. 3 changed to be 2 and 2 changed to be 12. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. So the next step, drop number 5. Okay? And then 75 divided 25. Start again. 75 divided by 25. Search for 75. You can find 75 in a product. So circle the two numbers 75 and 3. Then write 75 as a product and 3 as a quotient. And let's subtract. 75 minus 75 equals 0, 0. So we have finished the division and the quotient is 213. Got it? Let's show another example. To check if we understand or no, divide 1376 by 34. let's start. Write the dividend and divisor, and let's try to find table or products of 43. Okay, 43 times 1, 43 times 2, 86 times 3, 129 times 4, 172 times 5, 215 up to 5. And if you need more, complete. Okay, let's start. Divide 1 by 43 can't be 1 is smaller. Okay, so divide 13 by 43, still smaller. 13 is smaller, so can't be. Okay, let's complete. 137 divided by 43. Let's search. Search for what? Search for 137 in the products. You can't find 137. Here we have 172, so it's greater than 137, but 129 is just smaller than 137. Okay, so circle 129 and 3. 129 as a product and 3 as a quotient. Got it? Now let's complete. Subtract 137 minus 129. 7 minus 9 can't be. 7 is smaller. Borrow 1. So 3 decreased to be 2 and 7 increased to be 17. So 17 minus 9 equals 8. So let's start again, but drop 6 to be 86. 86 divided 43. Let's complete. 86 divided 43. So search for 86 in the products. You can find 86. Circle 86 and 2. Write 86 as a product, 2 as a quotient. And let's subtract. 86 minus 86 equals 0, 0. Okay? That's about the standard algorithm. Now let's talk about relation between division and multiplication using a simple example. 3 times 5 equals 15. That leads to 15 divided 5 equals 3. Okay, so here we have a relation between multiplication and division. Let's show. Here's the product of multiplication operation changed to be dividend in division operation, and the factor changed to be divisor, and the other factor changed to be quotient. That means there is a relation between division and multiplication. يعني ايه الكلام ده؟ يعني هنا البرودكت بيتحول يتغير لايه؟ بيتغير للديفيدند، وبنكمل عادي بناخد اي فاكتور من التو فاكتورز وبيكون هو الديفايزر. Okay, another example. 25 times 5 equals 125. That means 125 divided 5 equals 25. The same product changed to be what? To be dividend, and factor changed to be divisor, and the other factor changed to be quotient. Okay, so there is a relation between division and multiplication. So dividend like 125 equals what? Equals quotient like 25 times divisor like 5, or divisor times quotient, whatever. Okay, يعني 125 as a dividend maybe equals 5 times 25 or 25 times 5. Okay, that means you can change multiplication to be division operation or the inverse, division to multiplication. Okay, another example. If 3 times 2 equals 6, so 7 divided 2 equals what? Equals 3. How? Let's show. 7 divided 2 can't be, because we can't find any number multiplied by 2 to get 7. So let's decrease. Cancel 7 and write 6. 6 divided 2 equals 3. Okay, and we have a remainder. If we subtract 7 minus 6, we get 1. 1 is called the remainder. Okay, so number 7 equals what? According to this relation, 7 equals 2 times 3. Okay, as 6 equals 2 times 3. So 7 equals 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 plus 1. 1 is a remainder. Okay, so 7 is a dividend. Okay, and 3, 2 are factors. 2 and 3 are factors. Okay, plus 1 is the remainder. يبقى هنا ال dividend equals what? Equals ال two factors اللي هما مين؟ quotient and divisor. quotient times divisor plus a remainder. اوكي، فالفرق بين السؤال ده واللي فات انه انت هنا عندك remainder. فلما بيكون في remainder بنعمل ايه؟ بنقول عادي ان الكوشنت الديفيدنت بيكون equal quotient time الديفايزر، بس في هنا adding لريميندر. اوكي، بس ده اللي بيفرق عن السؤال اللي مش بيكون فيه remainder. quotient times divisor بيديك الديفيدنت، لو عندك remainder خلاص بنعمل adding للريميندر. اوكي، another example. 356 times 14 equals 4,984. So 4,987 divided 14 equals what? Equals 356. Like 356 times 14 equals 4,984. But here we have a remainder. If we subtract 7 minus 4, we get a remainder 3. يعني انت هنا المالتيبليكيشن اوبريشن دي اتغيرت بقت division، بس في تغيير صغير قوي هنا. ال 4 في ال ones changed to be 7. Okay, so this difference between 7 and 4 equals 3 is called a remainder. Okay, هو نفس السؤال بالظبط من multiplication ل division. Okay, product changed to be dividend, factor changed to be divisor, and another factor changed to be quotient. Got it? Another example. If 123 times 15 equals 1,845, then 1,849 divided by 123 equals what? Let's compare between multiplication and division. Okay, here the product changed to be dividend, and the factor 123 changed to be divisor, and the other factor will be the quotient. But take care, here we have a remainder. Ones is 9 and ones is 5. Subtract 9 minus 5 equals 4. 4 is the remainder. Okay, لازم بنعمل subtraction between الديفيدند والبرودكت، تمام، علشان نقدر نجيب الريميندر. اوكي، فلو كان بس التغيير في الوانز بس عندك هي اللي متغيره، فانت بتعمل subtract للوانز بس، لكن maybe ان يكون الديفرنس موجود في الوانز والتنز. اوكي، فلما بيكون في الوانز بس بتكون سهله، عشان تجيب الريميندر بتعمل الوانز ده ماينس الوانز ده بس. اوكي، ده بيكون الريميندر. Okay, now let's solve some stories. The first one, a teacher wants to distribute 420 prizes to 7 classes equally. How many prizes per each class? Okay, هنا عايزين نتفق على حاجة الأول. في الستوريز بيكون عندك حاجة من اتنين، يا في keyword واضحة جدا إن الأوبريشن اللي هنعملها هي إيه، multiply أو division، أو لما فيش keyword بتكون الستوري نفسها موضحة الكونسبت هو عايز إيه. انت هنا عندك keyword موضحة جدا، distribute دي على طول بتعمل division، تمام، distribute divide pair one each one، اي حاجة بتوضح لك ان احنا هنقسم او هنوزع على طول تعمل division. اوكي، فاحنا هنا هنعمل 420 prizes among 7 classes، فهتاخد تكتب الديفيدند هنا 420 divided by 7، وطبعا انت عايز تكون حافظ table 7. لو مش حافظ table 7 فهتكتب البرودكتس قدامك هنا. اوكي، احنا هناخد بقى دلوقتي نبدأ 4 divided 7 can't be 4 smaller. اوكي يبقى 42. 42 divided 7 equals what? Equals 6. And the product 42. Subtract 42 minus 42 equals 0. Have you finished? No. Let's drop 0. Don't forget to drop the next number اللي هو 0. 0 divided 7 equals 0. اوكي فهنيجي بقى ونقول له هنا انه pair 1 will has 60 prices. Okay, next one, if the price of 16 books is 560 pounds, then the price of each book equals what? So let's divide 560 by 16 عشان انت لقيت each one, okay, or each book whatever. فاحنا كده عايزين نعرف price for each one، يبقى على طول هنوزع التوتال على number of books. Okay, so 560 divided by 16. وطبعا اكيد مش حافظين table 16، فطبعا هنجيب البرودكت. start with 16 times 1 16 times 2 32 times 3 times 4 times 5. اوكي ولو احتجت اكتر بتزود. let's start 5 divided 16 can't be smaller. 5 smaller 56. هتروح على البرودكت على طول تروح 56 مش هتلاقي 56. هناخد مين؟ الجاست سمولر اللي هو 48. وقلت بنسيركل على طول عشان ما ننساش 3 up على طول 3 up وال 48 down. subtract 6 minus 8 can't be borrow 1. 5 change it to be 4 and 6 change it to be 16. 16 minus 8 equals 16. Next step, drop 0. 80 divided 16. Search for 80 times 5. So 5 up and 80 down. Subtract 0, 0. Okay, so the quotient equals 35. Then the price of each book equals 35 pounds. Okay, that we have finished our lesson today. I hope you've got it.